What's the address here?
3515.
3515. That's the main manhole.
Yeah, that's okay.
So my theory is that they're trying to get Eric and that way there.
Joe, once you're all done, wrap up and just head outside. We're gonna get into that last house. He wants us to locate something.
You're interrupting my video.
Over.
Where's your dog? But that's not what we have. Our dog is sort of like, it's like he's treated by Andre.
It's probably a spot that it's plugged up every time. Yeah, I mean, that's just bellied out, too.
Kill the water.
Huh? See that?
The line I goes from diet
Progress, buddy.
all the houses are in series off of.
That's why it's called plugging.
So that there's just a bog, and the gravity flow is not happening the way it ought to happen.
You were riding that rut now. I don't think you got it. You know what I mean? It was holding me
What
up.
happens?
Push it out of there, yeah, that's what they were saying, like a lift station, like they've done other places
Oh, cool, yeah.
before, but.
Well, we'll see. I think
Maybe that's where he used to tie. No.
No, it's good to have a good clear.
It might be where he used to tie in.
For this price, like $75.
It's a late model equipment.
Yeah.
That's pretty neat, yeah. So, I appreciate you guys taking so much of this.
Yeah, I mean, I wanna get it, I hope to build the next house in 10 years. I wanna have this
Is that it?
figured out
That's it.
before I
Must be.
lay the foundation for that.
No, that's good call.
I won't land on top of any of this, but still.
No, it's good. You're probably gonna make some infrastructure.
It did look like a hole to you, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Not just a tie-in. Yeah, it's all broken and
No,
jagged.
this, your line will go on front.
So there's a big hole probably right where where that stick is in your yard. 70 feet from here, there's a hole in the top of the pipe.
There's a hole in the top. of the pipe.
Yeah. So that's
your yard, Bill.
Hole in the top of the pipe.
yeah. And then it's past the tie-in that you have. That's a tie-in right there, right out.
I don't
I'm
know.
off of it. To be clear, they cut me out, so.
Right, but that's just where your tie-in was or
Yeah.
is. It looks like.
You can see that.
Oh, yeah. Right
See a
here?
big break. It's hard because it's a low spot too. So.
I didn't see the
Huh?
break.
It's like when they used to look inside.
Yeah.
Didn't recognize that. So it didn't look like it shifted at all, or it's just cracked on the top?
Just missing the top. Looks like.
Where's your, oh, there it is, 62 on the corner. That's like, this is in the county line right now, right?
Yep.
This is in the share.
Yeah, that makes sense. Or, I mean, it's hard. It's gravity flow. I guess.
So it goes out that way.
Yeah, there's your tie-in. Okay.
That was me. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just all flat in here, so I mean, I don't know.
That's not too bad, really. Now you're in his lateral, right?
No.
That's still a common.
Yep.
Can't be. You're really okay.
Yep.
I'll take your word for it. It's only 38 feet. 32.
Right.
It's in my yard right now, but I don't think you're there already. So it'll elbow over here in a minute.
Someone leave their locate over here.
Oh, okay, so it goes out and then drops down.
No, they probably just had their own
Yeah.
go.
I'm wondering if you left it here on purpose if you want me to leave it.
No, take it with you. Thank you.
So the belly is back behind us.
I mean, it's a little bit bellied out there too, but not as
And
bad.
now this is, you're in the lateral now.
Yeah.
Clean out.
Is it? Think so?
Either that or it's just a hole.
Yeah. It's probably.
So it was 30 feet from here and you're at the lateral, at the common.
The sheriff court, yeah.
Thereabouts.
You wanna see something weird?
Yeah.
Four-way.
Oh.
Make sure we note that. Because that's how,
I mean, that's inside. I mean,
That's
that's.
in his house.
here.
Yeah.
Yeah.